Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So yesterday we had discussed, even though we saw a buying momentum, by the closing time we saw a sharp sell off in Bank Nifty, and today if Bank Nifty breaks 33,100 then it can fall, and today Bank Nifty came till 32,750. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty goes below 32,750, then we will see a sell off again, and in that case 32,400 will be the target. But Bank Nifty should open flat, there should be no gap down opening tomorrow. If Bank Nifty opens above 33,000, then Bank Nifty can remain sideways. 32,700 will act as support. 33,200, 33,500 will act as resistance. Now let's see. So in Nifty 2 we had discussed if Nifty goes below 15,550, 560, then we will see a sell off and Nifty can fall till 15,450, and today Nifty came till 15,380 something. So tomorrow if Nifty opens flat and if it breaks 15,380, then Nifty can fall till 15,325, 15,300. That will be the first target, and after breaking 15,300 Nifty can easily come till 15,200, and 15,180 was the low of this week. So after breaking 15,180 we'll see a sharp sell off. But if we see a opening above 15,500, then Nifty can remain sideways. 15,600 will act as resistance, 15,400 will act as support, and Nifty can remain in this range. And for the fall, Nifty should open flat, it should not open below 15,300. In case Nifty opens below 15,300, then we'll see a profit booking and Nifty may recover. And in case of a big gap up or gap down in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can wait for price action. So our today's stock is DLF and it is already trading in the downtrend, and after a bounce today we saw a negative candle. So tomorrow you can sell DLF below 303. You'll have to maintain a stop loss at 307, and it can again test 295. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.